Quiz time! Let us ask you a question. What would you do if you learned that you could earn $2 all by clicking on a button and watching a video? What about if you learned that you could earn 50 cents all by liking or commenting on a video? What if we told you that you can complete all these tasks on your smartphone in only a few minutes per day? Would you be more interested? Well, either way, we're here to show you that these are all true and easy to get going after some initial preparation. By sticking with us and learning about these opportunities, you'll be able to earn real money online over and over again via PayPal, bank transfer, or even Bitcoin, and a variety of other methods of payment. Almost no one has talked about this new website that we're going to showcase to you. Further, we're going to show you just exactly you're going to be able to sign up for this website for a free worldwide account. What's more is, if you decide to watch until the very end of the video, we'll be showing you guys another website that you can start earning money from, quick and easy. This is Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Back to the video. Would like to have you look at these 5 ways that you can earn money on a certain special website, as you'll be able to see here. First off, you can go to several websites and watch various videos and advertisements. Next, you can go ahead and leave engagement on social media, earning you some money just for liking and sharing certain videos. You'll notice that the first few ways to earn money on this site involve leaving engagement and interaction through leaving likes or comments or even sharing videos. The next way to earn money is through filling out and submitting surveys for the site. These surveys are simple and easily completed by most beginners. We'll show you some examples of that so that you can get an idea of how it goes later. But our final method allows you to earn money just by signing up and creating a brand new account easily and for free. If you're interested in the idea of earning money for only a little bit of work, keep watching the video so that you can learn the website's name. Don't miss out on this opportunity to bring yourself some cash. So first off, the name of the website is Referrals. Once you log onto this website, you'll see that this service is available on laptops, computers, or even phones through its apps available for download on the App Store and Google Play. You can earn money from this app while being just about anywhere on the app and without any kind of prior investment too. As the first step, you'll have to choose your payment method. There are a variety of ways to generate revenue on this website, and you can use any of these 5 options to earn money. The next step is to complete any orders or begin working on any orders or jobs you've been assigned to begin earning money. And then for the last step, you'll be able to withdraw your earned money once you reach a certain threshold. Don't worry, you'll get paid within 24 hours if you're issuing a payout request. So if you wanted to create an account right now, then all you'll have to do is click on the registration button up above on the top part of the website. From there, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll be able to fill in the fields corresponding to your email, password, then click on the next step button to log on into your new account. Alternatively, you can always sign up using Google or Microsoft account instead. After you sign up, you'll be brought to the Referrals dashboard. Here, you'll see your statistics, your current estimated earnings, as well as your earnings yesterday and in the past week and the past month. At present, you should be seeing that your current balance is $0, but don't worry. The dashboard should start updating as soon as you've started earning money. The first thing you should do right now is to verify your email address. By clicking this button, you'll be sent a verification email with the link that you should click in order to verify your email address. Once you do, you've successfully activated your account and you can now start earning money. Now, before we continue on with the video, we'd like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. After that, we'd like you to click on the button to the left of the dashboard that says Earn. From there, you'll be given a list of ways to earn money. It'll take you to a page where you can select from a list of earning methods, which will lead you to a list of related earning opportunities. Let's go back to the first way to earn money that we talked about a bit ago, which is to earn money by watching videos on websites and clicking on advertisements. Now all you'll have to do is click on this button to start earning. You'll then be taken to a list of offers. As you can see, you'll be able to browse those various offers and click on one that you find so good that you can begin earning money. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to a new window or tab. From here, you'll just have to browse the website for a designated amount of time. Make sure to stay mobile and show that your activity on the site isn't that of a bot. Once you've finished browsing the site, you should have finished the task and earn your money. Before we continue with the video, however, we'd like to ask you to leave a like if you're enjoying the video and our strategy so far, and to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for more updates and recommendations of money-making strategies from Daily Payday. Back to the video. We'd like to give you an example. When you click on the Earn button, you'll have the option of choosing ways to earn money. One of those that also fall under leaving engagement on social media is also watching videos and have the video playing until the timer runs out. This is important because if you stop watching the video and close the tab, you won't get paid. In a second example under leaving engagement on social media, we also find videos to watch, but when we're there, we can adjust the video quality to a lower resolution so that you can save up on your data and also make sure that you'll be able to watch the videos to completion for that sweet money. If you want to earn some extra cash, make sure to click the like button on the video and to click on the share button. You can copy the link and share it on other platforms, letting you earn extra money aside from just watching the video. Once again, the website's name is Zoreclamy. You can find Zoreclamy simply by looking it up on Google Play Store for Android users or on the iOS App Store for iOS users. One more thing to look out for is referrals. If you refer someone to a Zoreclamy and they make their first payout, you'll both receive $10. And when more and more people use your link to register and get those free $10, you'll earn $10 too. All you have to do is click on the button that lets you copy your own link and send it to others. That's a second stream of income right there. Now on to our second website as promised, where you can earn money. That website is called Coinbase, where you can earn cryptocurrency by learning about cryptocurrency. This site allows you to watch a free tutorial, several free courses, and various videos. Every time we view the video and complete the courses, we'll be earning money. There are a treasure trove of resources and videos that you can both learn and earn from over on Coinbase. If you scroll down the list of courses available, you'll start to see that there are loads of starting courses that you can earn from. You can keep doing this and even get your friends to do it and earn money as well, while bringing some extra cash into your pocket. Once you've completed one category, you can simply go back to the Individuals tab and pick another category to start earning again. And there you have it! You can earn money just from watching, liking, and sharing videos by going to Zoreclamy, and you can earn some extra money from learning about crypto on Coinbase. If you liked this video and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often, and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the side to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.